welcome back to Energy Cleaning and Life Hacks. Baking soda, room by room. I have 24 uses for you today, countless uses. Let me know in the comments box below which one is your favorite. Oh yes, I love you, baking soda. Squeeze, squeeze. Carpet deodorizer. Let it sit on your carpet for about 15 minutes and then vacuum it on up. You got skid marks, you got a stain, you got something on your floor that needs some picking up, but you need a little extra oomph to it. Grab yourself a rag or a sponge, put a little baking soda on it. Don't mind if I do. This is my little shaker I got at the Dollar Tree. It comes in handy. Number 3. Stinky shoes, sprinkle that on in there. Number 4, Grout. Get yourself some hydrogen peroxide. Obviously, you're gonna be a little bit more delicate than I am. Put your baking soda on there, make a nice paste, let it sit, and then you're gonna rub it in and it will help clean and shine those grout lines. Number 6, you can use baking soda to exfoliate your skin. It's got a nice gritty texture, rub that in, not too rough. Sometimes salt and sugar can be a bit more rough. Baking soda is perfect. Got a baby with diaper rash? You can add 1/4 cup to your baby's bath and that will help. Number 8 and 9, got a wet mattress or a wet couch that you not only need to absorb the moisture, but you need to deodorize it. Smelly drains, yes please. Pans with burnt on food, bring it to a simmer with some baking soda and water and it will come up much easier. Looking to brighten your nails? Yes, baking soda can do the trick. By the way, baking soda works great at removing carpet stains, but I like to mix it with a little bit of hydrogen peroxide. Deodorize those nasty plastic food storage containers. Dirt and grime in your shower, great at removing that soap scum. Got some stuffed animals that need deodorizing or a little bit of dry cleaning? Yes, sprinkle it on in there and shakey shake. Coffee stain mugs, whoop whoop. Want to keep your flowers alive longer? Yes, I do. Add 1 teaspoon to the water. How about an easy produce wash instead of using vinegar? Dishwasher booster, refrigerator odors, stained and smelly toilets, washing machine cleaner, and finally add baking soda to your bubble bath for an extra sudsy experience. And I didn't even mention this, baking. Although I'm not a baker, I'm too busy creating clever and fun cleaning hack videos for you. I'm getting ready to bake my kids some cookies. Just in time for them to be done when they get home from school. I love all these baking soda. You're amazing. Give this video a thumbs up. Click the video on screen now for some additional and clever cleaning and life hacks. And I will see you, my friend, in the next one.